Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Kraken margin trading step by step in simple terms. We'll go over how margin trading works on Kraken, how to open a position, how to close it, and what settling a position actually means, so you know exactly what you're doing before you trade. First, let's quickly understand what margin trading is on Kraken. Margin trading lets you trade with leverage, which means Kraken temporarily lends you funds so you can open a larger position than your balance would normally allow. You can either go long, meaning you're betting the price will go up, or go short, meaning you're betting the price will go down. To get started, log into your Kraken account. Once you're logged in, go to the New Order section at the top. From there, switch the order form to intermediate. This is important because margin trading is not available in the simple order view. After switching to intermediate, choose the trading pair you want, for example, ETH-YUR or BTC-YUR. On the right side, you'll see leverage options. If you choose a leverage of 3x, that means your buying power is multiplied by 3. Be careful here because higher leverage also increases your risk. If you want to open a long position, you'll place a buy order. Kraken will advance the quote currency, like Euro, so you can buy more of the asset, like ETH. If you want to open a short position, you'll place a sell order. In that case, Kraken advances the asset itself, so you can sell it at the current price. Next, choose your order type. If you select market, the trade executes instantly at the best available price. If you choose limit, the trade will only execute when the price reaches the level you set. Once everything looks right, confirm the order and your margin position will be opened. Now let's talk about how to close a margin position. Since Kraken let you funds to open the trade, closing the position means returning those advanced funds. The most common way to close a position is by placing the opposite order. For example, if you opened a long position with a buy order, you close it by placing a sell order with leverage enabled. If you opened a short position with a sell order, you close it by placing a buy order with leverage enabled. When you place that opposite trade, Kraken automatically closes the position and updates your balance with either your profit or your loss, depending on how the price moved. There's also another option called settling a position. Settling means you repay the advanced funds directly without closing the position through a normal market trade. To do this, go to the Advanced tab in the order form. Select the option to settle the position, choose the amount you want to settle, and make sure the order type is set to settle position. Kraken will then use your account balance to repay the borrowed funds at the original opening price of the position. Before you trade, it's important to understand that Kraken charges margin fees. These include opening fees and rollover fees if you keep a position open for a long time. Fees vary depending on the asset and market conditions, so always check Kraken's fee page before trading. Margin trading can be powerful, but it's also risky. Always start with low leverage, use stop losses if possible, and never trade more than you can afford to lose. If this video helped you understand Kraken margin trading, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more crypto tutorials and exchange guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.